Hello everyone. Now I will continue previous topic. What was the previous topic? Sin 2a cos 2a in terms of tan a. Sin 2a cos in terms of tan. Since sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a, that is equal to 2 sin a cos a into cos a by cos a. Into cos a by cos a means multiplying and dividing by cos a is equal to 2 sin a by cos a into cos a cos square. So this can be written as this sin 2a by cos a is tan a. Sin 2a, therefore sin 2a equals to this 2 tan a cos square a, inverse of cos square a secant square. So sin 2a can be written as 2 tan a by secant square. Next, cos 2a. Since cos 2a is equal to cos square a by sin square a. Taking cos square a common, you will get 1 here, 1 minus sin square a by cos square a. How we get multiplying and dividing by cos square a? Multiplying dividing by cos square a is, you will cos square a common, cos square a common 1 minus sin square a by cos square a. If you open this bracket, you will get cos square a minus sin square A by cos square A into cos square A. Multiplying and dividing by cos square A by cos square A, whole equation. I will write again. Cos square A by cos square A. So you can multiply and divide any quantity to the equation. The equation remains same. This is common. So taking cos square A common, you will get 1 here. This cos square A is outside, means sin square A by cos square A. Right? That is equal to cos square A. Sin by cos, tan. Tan square A. And cos square A can be written as 1 by secant square A. Therefore, cos 2A equals to 1 minus tan square A by secant square A. Cos square A, I am writing here cos square A as 1 by secant square A. 1 minus tan square A by secant square A. This will be cos 2A in terms of tan A. Cos 2A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. How we get 1 plus tan square A? Since secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the formula. You will get secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So in the place of secant square A, I write 1 plus tan square A. Similarly, sin 2A is equal to 1 plus tan square A by 2 tan A by secant square A, that is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square. So cos 2a in terms of tan square is cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a in terms of tan a. Sin 2a in terms of tan a is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. You have to write each solution, each formula 5 to 10 times, then only you can understand. If you just see and uh, try to memorize it, so you can't do that. You have to write each formula, each solution 5 to 10 times. Next. Since sin 2a in terms of tan a is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. This implies sin a is equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Since cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a one plus tan square a. Therefore, cos a will be 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. You have to memorize it by writing each formula 5 to 10 times. Now I am ending this chapter. Trigonometric ratios of multiple and multiple angles. I will start next chapter, transformation. Next chapter will be transformation. Okay. I am ending the class now. I will continue later. Bye bye.